In this video we will place an order in our online store Logicbus.com. Once you have entered our website, in the upper right corner you will find the account icon. When you click on it, two options will appear: create an account and log in for clients who already have one. Once logged in, you will see your account details. Each product will show you information such as the viability or lead time, data sheets and specs, or recommended accessories. You can also choose the quantity you wish to purchase. Once this is done, just click on Add to Cart. You can continue adding different products to your cart or finish your order. On the next page, you will be able to see the products you added to your cart and total price. You will also have to fill out your billing and shipping information. If you have your own shipping account, you will need to add it here. You can choose between two payment methods, credit or debit card, and line transfer. To complete your order, read and check the 3 verification boxes. In the comments section, you can provide additional information, billing or shipping. Once you have verified all your information, click on the checkout button to finish your order. Once the process is complete, you will receive an email with a copy of your purchase. You may also click on print a copy of your order to have a physical copy. For any questions or comments about our online store or technical support and information of our product, you can contact us in the live chat. See you soon!